Josh here, super awesome gutter installer with Limitless Gutters and Drainage serving Eastern North Carolina. Here I just want to show kind of how a gutter works. In this situation we're actually using these special wraparound hangers where if you're in a situation and you can't screw a screw into the fascia, this sort of system here, it wraps around and it screws to the rib on top of these metal roofs. And these come in white. You can paint them pretty much any color you want. So for this system here, they will all pretty much work the same. The water is basically just going to run down the roof. Once it travels into the gutter, falls into the gutter, we've taken levels and we've actually slightly sloped this gutter all the way out to the outlet down the end. And so the water is going to fall into the gutter, it's going to slope down to the end, it's going to drop down into the outlet, and it's going to shoot out away from the customer's home property, and it's not going to mess up his foundation or anything like that. We'll do another video in the future showing the different kind of hangers that we use and different applications and whatnot. But this is, like I say, it's the wraparound hangers. And that's pretty much a simplified version of how a gutter system works. So if you need any gutters, you live in Eastern North Carolina, give us a call. Limitless Gutters and Drainage. We'll be there to fix all your gutter needs.